In this video we'll learn about Endswith method. So this Endswith method returns true if the string ends with the specified suffix, okay, else it will return false. So it takes three parameter, that is the suffix to be found and the starting position and end position. So let's make a string text equals, you write our dreams have no limit. So this is our string. So let's find in the text, so it ends with limit, so let me put the limit and then text dot, and we'll store it inside a variable named result, because let's print the result. So you can see it is giving the output as true. Let me put a full stop. So now it is giving the output as false. Okay, so similarly let's take the whole thing and let's paste it inside it. Now let's see. So now also it is giving the output as true. So let's put some parameters also. Let's put from 5 to 25. So it is giving the output as true. So let's make here 5 and here 25. So now the output is false. So now we'll pass a tuple. So let's put the text as we love Python programming, and let's make the result variable. Text dot ends with, and let's put here programming. Let's put love also. So let's print the result. So here there is an error in line number 6, text equals ends with. So let's make it a tuple. So now it is giving the output as true. Similarly let's make one more, like limit inside it. So let's see. So again the output is true. So let's remove the programming here and then see the output. So now the output is false.